The key to working with square wire is to always maintain control. To do that, you need to always keep your attention very focused on what you're doing. You should always work with your hands and your tools up in front. That's because when you're turning a loop or making a bend, you may unconsciously lift your elbow, or you may push your hand forward at the same time as you're bending your wrist. By being mindful of what your hand position is, you can better control and minimize those unconscious movements that can send your wire onto its edge. The one trick that will help you maintain control better than anything else is to make sure that the fingers holding the wire are positioned really closely to your tool. If you're working with your fingers out here, you'll see that the wire flexes a lot. Wire that flexes is wire that goes off square. Fixing square wire is actually quite easy as long as you catch it early. The most important thing to remember is to stop, straighten, and then continue. It starts off fine, and right there, it starts to go off. If you continue, you'll notice how quickly it becomes completely skewed. If you stop here and switch to using your flat nose pliers, you can gently grip the wire at the point where it's starting to twist and straighten it out again. That's stop, straighten, and then continue. The same process applies if you're adding a decorative flourish to a pendant. If you notice that the wire is starting to go off square, stop, switch to your flat nose pliers, straighten, and then continue. It's really that simple.